So you search Royal Honey Pack for Men at 2 a.m. Don't lie, we've all been there scrolling like, is this magic honey or am I about to regret my life choices? Good news, I did the homework so you don't have to. Watch till the end, this one might actually save you. So I've tested, researched, and reviewed a lot of trending men's supplements online, and today we're talking about the Royal Honey Pack. What it claims, how it feels, and the part most ads conveniently forget to mention. Royal Honey is usually marketed as an all-natural energy and performance booster for men. Honey, herbs, royal jelly. Sounds harmless, right? Pop a pack, feel stronger, last longer, live happily ever after, that's a promise. Now here's where things get interesting. Many users, including people I personally talked to, report very fast and noticeable effects. Not subtle, like this kicked in way too quickly for honey fast, and that's your first red flag. Independent lab testing and official health advisories have shown that some royal honey products were found to contain sildenafil, the same active ingredient used in prescription erectile dysfunction medication. That ingredient is not listed on the label and is supposed to be taken only under medical supervision. If you have heart issues, diabetes, high blood pressure, or take nitrate medications, this combination can drop your blood pressure to dangerous levels. That's not a scare tactic, that's documented medical risk. So should you use Royal Honey Pack? If you're looking for natural honey, be careful because some versions aren't playing fair. Strong results don't always mean safe results. My rule, if a supplement works like a prescription drug but doesn't say it is, that's not confidence, that's a gamble. Stay smart, read beyond the ads, and don't trade your health for hype. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.